Hello and welcome to this look at a redox titration question based around vitamin C. It's of the unified chemistry style, so it's from a previous unified chemistry OCR paper. So it gives you a context, the label on a carton of orange juice lists the mass of vitamin C in milligrams in a typical serving 150 centimeters cubed. The student carries out an investigation to check the vitamin C content in the orange juice using the oxidation reaction between vitamin C and iodine. So the highlighted yellow box tells you what the student does. So I'm just going to take you through a little illustration of that. So you've got 150 centimeter cubed of orange juice being diluted to 250 centimeter cubed with water, and then that's titrated with iodine solution in a burette, and the mean titer is 222.50 centimeters cubed. So taking the equation and using the data moles, equation moles, answer technique, you can list the data that you have for the question, and it's clear that iodine is where you start in terms of working the moles out. So that's going to be B times C, which gives you 2.16 times 10 to the minus 5. Now in the equation you can see that you've got an equimolar quantity of iodine and vitamin C, so therefore the number of moles of vitamin C in your 25 centimeter cube sample is going to also be 2.16 times 10 to the minus 5. So tracing that back to the 250 centimeters cubed, that means you have 10 times as many moles in that amount. And that amount came from the original 150 centimeters cubed of orange juice, so it's also the number of moles in 150 centimeters cubed. So the final part is to work out the mass of vitamin C in 2.16 times 10 to the minus 4 moles. So using the molecular formula, you can work it out as 176 grams per mole. Multiply that by your 2.16 times 10 to the minus 4, which gives you 0.038016 grams. And the answer line has milligrams written. It's got it here. And it also directs you to determine the mass in milligrams. So clearly what you've got to do is multiply that up by 1,000 to get 38.0. Okay, thanks for listening. Until next time, I'll see you soon.